banks, payment platforms, and crypto companies are under constant attack from cybercriminals. They are offering high starting salaries for security engineers, and still cannot hire fast enough. If you have any interest in cybersecurity, financial technology may be your fastest path to a top-paying role. Here is why. Financial technology handles trillions of dollars in transactions every single day. A single security breach can destroy a company's reputation overnight. This creates massive, sustained demand for specialized security talent in every major financial center in the world. FinTech security is different from general cybersecurity. You are not just protecting data, you are protecting money. The threats are more sophisticated. Nation-state actors, organized crime, and advanced persistent threat groups all target financial systems. Here are the foremost in-demand roles. Application Security Engineer, focused on FinTech. You secure payment APIs, banking applications, and transaction systems. You find vulnerabilities before attackers do. Every FinTech company worldwide needs multiple people in this role. Blockchain Security Specialist. You audit smart contracts and protect crypto wallets. A single coding error can drain millions in seconds. Companies pay premium rates for this expertise globally. Fraud Detection ML Engineer. You build AI systems that identify fraudulent transactions in real time. This combines machine learning with deep knowledge of fraud patterns. PCI Compliance Engineer. You ensure payment systems meet regulatory standards. Every company that processes card payments anywhere in the world needs this expertise. It is highly specialized, very stable, and consistently well paid. What makes you especially valuable in this space? Understanding financial regulations like PCI-DSS, SOC 2, and PSD 2. Secure coding skills. Threat modeling. Penetration testing. And incident response experience. Regulators around the world are tightening requirements. Fines for security failures are increasing significantly. For most companies, hiring strong security engineers is simply cheaper than paying regulatory penalties. FinTech security combines high stakes with high pay in a field that is growing globally. Our FinTech security specialization covers everything from payment system architecture to blockchain security. The link is below. Subscribe for well-paid tech niches that are actively hiring right now.